Sometimes you might find that the cells are not wide or tall enough to display their contents. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to adjust the width of columns or rows. I've got a table here which shows the contact information of a few companies, but you cannot properly see the contents of the table because the columns are not wide enough. To change the column width, place the mouse pointer in between the heading of the column to be widened and the column to the right. The pointer's shape will change, and now click and drag. Once you get the desired width, release the mouse. The second way to do this is to right-click on the column heading, column width, and adjust the column width points. I'll put 30 here and press enter. The third way is to auto-fit the column to the contents of the cells. The easiest way to do this is by placing the mouse pointer in between the columns and then double-click. Column widths can be adjusted for multiple columns simultaneously. Select the columns you want, then follow any of the three methods to adjust the column width. I'll place the mouse pointer in between any two columns in the selection and click and drag. Now all the columns will have equal width. Second method, right-click anywhere in the selection, column width, and adjust the column width points. I'll put 25 here and press enter. Third way, place the mouse pointer in between any two columns in the selection and double-click. Now each column will auto-fit to its contents. Row heights are also adjusted the same way as column widths. Just place the cursor in between the heading of the row to be adjusted and the row just below it, and click and drag. To adjust multiple row heights, select all of them and use any of the techniques we use for columns. Click and drag. Right-click anywhere in the selection, row height, and adjust the row height points. Third way, place the mouse pointer in between any two rows in the selection and double-click. The column width and row height adjustment options can be found in the Format option of the Home tab also. Sometimes you do not want a column to be too wide, but still want to display the entire contents. Like in this case, you want the address column to be narrower, but view the entire addresses of the individual companies. First, adjust the column width. Then, select the cells or column and then click Wrap Text in the Home tab. Now the text will be displayed in multiple lines and the row heights increase to accommodate them. This happens without changing the column widths.